Why investing in HR staff performance training courses is a game changer for managers. Evaluating staff performance is more than a routine task. It's a critical exercise that directly impacts the heart and soul of an organization. It's about finding the delicate balance between objective assessment and empathic management, a process that requires both finesse and a deep understanding of human behavior. But here lies a challenge many managers face today: navigating the complexities of staff performance assessment in a way that fosters growth, empowerment, and organizational alignment. How then can managers overcome this hurdle? The solution lies in continuous learning and adaptation through HR staff performance training courses. Here we explore why investing in these courses is not merely beneficial, but essential for managers aiming to thrive in today's dynamic workplace environment. Understanding the stakes. Performance evaluation is a pivotal process, influencing not only the immediate dynamics between staff and management, but also shaping the company's culture, morale, and productivity in profound ways. When done effectively, it provides a clear direction for personal and professional development, aligns individual goals with the organization's objectives, and cultivates a culture of openness and trust. However, poorly executed evaluations can lead to misunderstanding, demotivation, and even resentment, undermining both individual performance and your organizational health. This predicament underscores the need for managers to possess up-to-date knowledge and skills in conducting fair, constructive, and goal-oriented evaluations. Equipping managers with modern techniques. The landscape of work is continuously evolving, with new challenges and expectations emerging regularly. HR staff performance training courses are designed to keep managers ahead of these changes, equipping them with the latest strategies, tools, and understanding necessary for effective employee evaluation. These courses shed light on the psychology of feedback, the importance of setting SMART goals, and the intricacies of performance improvement planning, among other topics, promoting fair and equitable assessment. One of the critical elements in staff performance evaluations is fairness. Any perception of bias or unfair treatment can significantly damage the employee-manager relationship, and by extension, the organizational culture. Training courses provide managers with frameworks and best practices to ensure evaluations are objective, transparent, and equitable, thereby fostering a sense of justice and respect within the team. Enhancing communication skills. Effective performance evaluations hinge on clear, empathetic, and constructive communication. Training courses often place a strong emphasis on developing these communication skills, preparing managers to deliver feedback in a way that motivates and encourages employees, addresses sensitive issues without causing offense, and actively involves the employee in the evaluation process, fostering personal and professional development. Ultimately, the goal of performance evaluation should be to facilitate growth, both for the individual and the organization. Through HR staff performance training courses, managers learn how to identify potential, recognize their achievements, address areas for improvement, and plan actionable steps for development. This not only helps employees reach their full potential, but also contributes to the overall success and competitiveness of the organization.